Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome again, Unstoppable family. So people, if you can remember a couple of years ago at Sting, there was rumors that Demarco and Masicka had an altercation, right? Backstage, and even gunshot get fired and all of them thing there. And even Tommy Lee was on stage and say, yo, boy, Demarco and Masicka go like them want to try make police lock off the concert and all of them thing there, right? Well, Demarco right now is speaking out and him all giving light for certain incidents where even me never know said it even happen, right? So Demarco is saying, yo, Masicka, send police to come lock him up and lock him down in a jail cell after Sting. Whoa, here we go on people. We're going to jump into that and we're going to take a listen to what Demarco said. But before we even get to that, if this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you don't hit that subscribe button yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will continue to be alerted. Make we go hear what Demarco said then.
Oh, Demarco, like they're not hungry before. That is my song. That is my song. They play that song the whole heap of time. Whole heap of time. So I can't say me bad mind. Why me I got bad? What me bad mind for? Me have my own lane and my own. What me a bad mind for, brother? Remember me there do it to the Masicka never bust when him diss me. So oh me bad mind a fool. Only so fool. You're so stupid. Oh me for bad man an artist when never bust it. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. The man, yo, you know, go check it. All I know, go check it and see the facts. Go check it. Go type Masicka, this Demarco, ER. That is before even the interview with Winford. Him diss me and I say, yo, me a clown. I'm a ear color or clown no fear run dancehall. And that year there was a great year for me. Yo, whole heap of hit song me get. Yo, me win all IRAMA award over the Dan Cartel. All IRAMA me win. All of them thing there. So I was that person at that time. So the man just did there and I try to reach on to the person where I run the thing. You see me? All Sting. Uno didn't know say yo. Uno didn't know say Masicka make me get locked up. Police come for me, and me after blowout Sting, and me there police station when him asleep in a famous. Cause them a tell lie for me say, yo, me fire shot a Sting, I mash up Sting. You know, so me police come for. Me there police station the whole day. Till them, I Portmore till them carry me go a Spanish town for swab my hand for gunpowder. Eh? Come on, man. Yo, half of the story, yo, uno no know this, uno no know what go on, you know. Uno don't know what go on. This little youth is a troublemaker, and him for stop. Him try offer everybody, and him need for stop, yo. Him need for stop. You're a great artist, youth. Just go and do your artist thing and stop try for this artist, dog. Stop it, dog. Go on where you go, Massy. Stop it. Massy, don't do it, bro. Massy, me there station when you're there in your house. You see me? Me there station after yo. Alright. Because of bomb and perform pan Sting and mash up Sting. Him want jump, him want come on the stage for clash me. And my friend, me them know what I go on, and my friend them there around there say, yo, want him to know. No more from me say, no. Yo, him can't get on the stage. So him got on the stage after me done sing. A Sting, 2014. The whole of the man set was a Demarco set. Because every song, a Demarco name. Every song the man sing, I'm a name tonight. Every song. So I go so bam, I not pay him no mind. I go so bam and come off of the stage. I go backstage and I do my interview with Winford again. And them time my mother drop out. Mother drop out about 2 weeks before, prior to Sting. You see me? Sing Falling Soldier up on the stage. Yo, my ball, I want to come out of my eye. Bag of sitting. You see me? Come off of the stage, match up the stage, and I feel good. I say, yeah. Ray. Do my interview. Then I go so bam and left from Winfred and go over one part and we stand up and I say, yo, DJ, yo, performance mad, the thing mad. You see me? So him come now and I do film interview now with Winfred. And then now after I'm doing interview now, me see him come below them, him friend them, come stand up, come post up nearest by me there. So in my mind now, me just say, yo, the youth keep on just dead and just nah stop. Him nah stop. The youth nah stop. So me step off left all my friend them because them don't even know when me step off. I'm step off let my friend them, I'm go over there, whisper full of him friend them there and say, hey, why y'all call up my name for? Why y'all call up my name for, my youth? Might as God live it for my picnic them, God can take me and my picnic them. Everybody when me love, God can take them, everybody when me love. Yo, you know when Masicka look at me and say, the man said, dog, so you don't think someone want rich like Unoto? My youth. Yo, the man say, you think someone want rich like Unoto? I'm a DJ, so a musical thing. And the man say, yeah, dog, I'm going to bam. Yo, all come, him talk piece of it in the newspaper. Because I'm going to tell the newspaper, say, me are the aggressor, you know. So the man goes, bam. I'm going to give him a lion paw, you know. Lion paw, and go say, yo, big up yourself then. And then when I mute them, when I do that, when I mute them, say, yo, I'm to some pussy, yo, we bust out boy face. I say, what you mean? And I saw my friend them here now and starts and step over. And I want to deal with. And be a toss man a talk. And then a man say, yo, DJ, yo, all when shot fire, you know, a sting, you know. Me don't know who, you know. Because me never dead, you know, because the man them say, yo, DJ, load this. And put me in my car and me and my woman drive gone. Drive gone and gone home. Tell them they are Portmore. Drive and gone home. Then, yo, me hear say, yo, be a man a run up and down and be a big stone a fling and one shot fire or something go on and be a sitting go on. So the man them call me, telling them they are Caribbean estate. The man them call me and I say, yo, one of the alright, go to the gas station. And I left out back out of my yard to go buy the man them breakfast and bag of thing and we did there rap and attack. We did there attack and then me see 2 Jeep pull up in a gas station and say, yo, are you welcome fine? You will come fine. Yo, station. Me say, what go on? Yo, station. You say, you fire shot and mash up sting. Come in. And man, him carry me go 100-man police station. And from, I'm dead the whole day. Yo, that youth make me get all fingerprint in a system where me never want. And Tommy Lee, me say Tommy Lee there, I say, yo, Demarco, man, mash up sting. Then time them there with their sting. With them yard. With them yard. Someone know, yo, so, yo, dog, you don't know half of this thing, and this youth is a troublemaker, yeah? This youth is a troublemaker. So, yo, Massey, leave me alone now, yeah? Yo, you have your career and you go on with the thing. Go on with the thing. Do your music. You see me? Don't do that again. Don't do that again, sir. Okay? Because when you can fly, when you can fly more than my roadie, when you can fly more than my road manager, you know what I mean? His name is Kevin Blue Sky. He has more stamps in his book than you. When that can go on, you can talk to me. So when a lizard on one bag of lizard, you know go on and go with a lizard. One side, every side, yo, landslide, yo, any side. You see me? Any side you sleep on last night, sleep on it tomorrow. Any side. And well, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side. Side. Yo, you don't want to stop this credit. fuck me I discredit the man when me done say the youth bad? How me can discredit somebody when me say the youth bad? I advise me, I say, yo, stop fucking trouble artists and do your song them. You're not bad. You're not bad already. Why the fuck you need for a bad artist for? No, if the governor shot the place, you want trouble governor. Move your and go do your song them and trouble people. I want to you. You see, lad, yo, cartel gear, you want big strength. Big strength the man gear. I know you come and go and like say you want to come overthrow the man. Oh, you don't see you get put to the wayside. Eh? You don't see you come like roundabout a bayside. Eh? What the fuck do you, my youth? But one side. Nobody I must say, yo, Gaza genocide. No, one side. Move your heart. You're not loyal. You're not loyal. Of course, me do collaboration with Adi. How you mean? So me no respect Adi for that. How? You never see me at this Adi? Why me I got this Vibes Cartel? Vibes Cartel give me a strength. Why me I got this him? Why me I got this Vibes Cartel now? Why me I got come out? Why me I got come out now and say, oh, I'm to you, yo, I'm Cartel no better than me. I thought him say all of these things. Why me I got do that? Why? Why? Man, the man put out a big press release. Oh, I'm tell you, yo, and a cartel do nothing for you, the rare. Him never need this, him never need. Eh? That song they do wonders for your career. Wonders. Wonders. Eh? Only now this cartel. Only now this cartel. Eh? Why not this cartel? Why not over cartel page of this cartel? And him this cartel. Eh? Eh? My dog them have to live a big highlight the cartel give the man. And the man goes so bam and switch up. True because cartel goes so bam and start link with 6 and start the song with them. Like so what, bro? It's music, yo. Music they have to share. It's a pie, share with everybody. So what if him do song with them youth over your son, them youth over your son? What is it? It's no problem. Me no feel no way. Me and Cartel do 2 songs. Google and Miracle. Me build the rhythm for Miracle. And me feature upon the Google song. And what? Me no feel no way. Cartel go do song with Masicka, everybody else and Ray and do. What am I do? Me no feel no way for what? I'm grateful too. Well, I'm grateful. My plate full. Come on. Come on. So, yo. I that me a telling you, you know. So now me do that song, you know. About Bunty and Beanie. You see me? Enough people would have said, yo, you this, you that. Bunty and Beanie, me grow up half, you know. That is my era when me grow up half, you know. You see me? 2 of them are my artists, you know. Me have my cousin, Telos. Him was Beanie and me was Bunty. You see me? Bunty was my idol, but being a me artist too. So him always I sing the Beanie song them and me I sing the Killer song them. So them man they make me want to do music. And me, my first, that's why I tell you, yo, you have a man named Pee-wee, him like my father, him are the one where him carry me to the bring me into the music industry, and him make me write the first song for Bunty Killer. Cause when me I write song for people, you know, as Ricky Trooper say, you know, yo, me there in them set voice, you know, me as DJ like Bunty, you know, and them on the song I send it, you know, and Bunty hear it and I say, yo, Pee-wee, yo, this bad, me I sing this. Yo, that you time bad, you need to send him go a yard, them time them live a Baltimore, you know. You see me? Cause I left from Portmore, I'm 16 and go to Baltimore go live. You see me? So, dog, me I pay homage to my DJ them. Nobody can tell me nothing. I'm no ego no day night. I mean not look no fame from it. I just want to feel like this and me that. Me no need Beanie to respond to it. Me no want Bunty to respond to it. I just might it. At me I show homage. Me I pay homage to my DJ them. You see me? I'm not ego, no shame no in my game. You hear? Some of the business one I want to say. I me sang this. Don't it! I'm a they can't tell me not me a madman, I tell you, yeah?
So let me tell you something. It don't really matter who bad mind who or who a fight against who, right? My take on this whole thing is the man them need to just learn to live good in the music, man. What the tension for, what the bad mind for, what the fight against for. You understand? Everybody a do music, everybody a co-workers, everybody can live good. You see it? And the part where Demarco say, when him say, yo, me give him a lion paw because when him say, yo, what was a musical thing and not an actual bad mind or war thing, then everything cool. You see me? Then turns out that some little yes man around the artist them want to push feud. You understand? Yo, nothing is wrong with a lyrical confrontation. Nothing is wrong with a lyrical battle. But when you go take the thing and make it actually be physical, then that is where the problem comes in. Nothing is wrong. The fans them want to actually see two artists a battle it out lyrically. That have gone in a dance hall for years. But no physical confrontation. Oh my son, talk to me down in the comment section. Seeing, watch on man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And for all business inquiries, hit up my Gmail. It's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Or you can also link me over on Instagram at unstoppabletv. Alright, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I am unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable.